Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this cute magnetic calendar. Now these calendars and the rectangle coaster cards, I will have a link in the description box and also posted on my blog where I got them. But we're going to go ahead and make this today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the rectangle coaster board that we're using. I already went ahead and hot glued a magnet on the back. Let me show you the magnets that I used. So now these are the ones that I got at Home Depot, and it comes on a 10-foot roll. So I just cut pieces of them and then I hot glued it on the back. So we're going to use the Follow Your Art designer paper, and this is cut at 3.5 by 4. And then your strips here, we're using the Mango Melody. This is cut at 1/2 inch by 4. And then the Smoky Slate is cut at 1.5 by 4. This piece is cut at 2.5 by 3.5. And this is going to be for the matting of your calendar. Okay. And I got this idea from a swap that I got from, I think her name was Debbie. And then her last name was M-U-C-H-E. I got her swap and I absolutely loved it. So this was one of my club projects this past weekend. And with it being the new year in January still with their club night, I decided to make the calendars for them to make as a make and take. And then also this felt heart. Let me show you that kit. So this is the Follow Your Art embellishment kit. And I've already got my heart out. But you get all these felt designs. And I let my club ladies just use whatever ones they wanted. You can use the heart, the flower, the stars, whatever, and there's different colors. So that's what we kind of tied in with the base of the calendar as well. So there's your Calypso Coral, and then I think this might have been Crushed Curry, but I used the Mango Melody. And then the Pool Party is for the stamped greeting that we're going to punch out with the Pool Party cardstock. But you also get some twine, and then you also get some paper clips. So this is all in the kit, okay? So that's where I got this cute little felt heart. All right, so let's go ahead and add our pieces. Now, I will say I cut the pieces a little bit wider, and you can just cut them down, or you can use a file, like this sanding block I got at, you can get this at Sally's Beauty Supply or even probably your dollar store. And if you cut it, and then you can sand it a little bit if you want to cut it really close with the sander instead of using your scissors. So, but like I said, I just cut that a smidge bigger than what the rectangle thing is, so but you can still cut that, okay? And then one other thing, we're going to use the liquid glue because it's very forgiving. Okay, so we're going to start at the bottom of our calendar mat here. We're going to use the Smoky Slate. We're going to apply this layer first. I'm going to put this right at the very bottom. And then with the glue, you can maneuver that. And I'm going to push it all over to one side so I can trim that a little bit better. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and do the Mango Melody piece. This is going to get adhered right up next to that Smoky Slate piece. Just put that right up next to it. And then this piece is going to kind of layer over that Mango Melody just a little bit. Okay, just press that down really nice. Okay. All right, then once you get that on there, then you can flip it over and then take your scissors and just trim the excess off. Okay, then you can take your sander and like the edges to make them more rounded, you can take your sanding block and just kind of sand that down. Okay, all right, so there's our little front of our calendar. Now we're gonna go ahead and stamp. Let me grab some Whisper White. So these are the colors that we're using for the stamped image. So we're gonna stamp the greeting on Whisper White. Then with the Pool Party, we're gonna punch with the 2 1/4 inch circle punch. And then the Smoky Slate will be with the Starburst punch. So let's grab the stamp, and we're gonna also use the basic gray classic ink pad. And this is the stamp set, Forever Crafting, and we're going to use Do Something Creative Every Day. But there's also 2 other really great greetings. But this one is the one that's really cute, since it's a calendar. We're going to grab our 2-inch circle punch. Punch that out. Then the 2 1/4-inch circle punch with the pool party. And then the starburst punch with the smoky slate. I'm going to go ahead and layer these 3 pieces together. You could use tear and tape, or again, you could use the liquid glue if you wanted to adhere your Do Something Creative Every Day. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right at the top. And then we're going to adhere our calendar to our Calypso Coral. Okay, then for my little heart, and this is felt, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the liquid glue again for that. So I'm just going to put a little dab of the glue onto the calendar part. I'm just going to set this right into the glue. Might have to hold that for a little bit. So cute. And then the magnet on the back, it clicks to your refrigerator or anything that's magnetic. And then here's the other one. So cute. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.